Hi and welcome to my channel, Lubach Homemade Food. Today we're making halloumi and courgettes fritters. For this we need 3 courgettes, which equals to 500 grams, 2 eggs, 1 garlic clove, fresh dill. I've got a bunch of dill, but half I'm gonna use for the sauce. Halloumi cheese from the shop, 200 gram, flour, 100 milliliters of milk, and for the sauce we're gonna use the other half of the dill, 200 gram of yogurt, garlic clove, and half cucumber. So we're gonna start first with the courgettes. We're gonna grate them and then we're gonna leave them to release the water for 10 minutes. Use the coarse part of the grater. This is a delicious summer recipe. It's really nice. Once we're ready with the mixture, we're gonna fry. You can use any oil, but I usually use sunflower oil for frying. Now we're gonna let the courgette sit for 10 minutes and then we're gonna squeeze out as much as water as possible. While we're waiting for the courgettes to release water, we can start with the halloumi cheese again. Use the coarse part of the grater. We're gonna use half of the dill and we're gonna chop it finely. We don't need the stalks, so get rid of them. 1 garlic clove, straight in. 2 eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, and 100 gram of flour. Use a wooden spoon to mix everything together. Salt and pepper. I'm adding like 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. And when our courgettes are ready, we're gonna add them to the mixture and we'll be ready to fry. Now we're gonna set this aside. To make the sauce, we're gonna grate the cucumber again on the coarse grater. And we're gonna squeeze as much of the water as we can. Straight in the bin. So just use your fingers like this and squeeze as much of the water as you can. I think this is enough. We can tip the cucumbers here. Now for our sauce, we're gonna chop the rest of the dill. We're gonna add the garlic and we're gonna season everything, and then goes in the fridge to chill. And now yogurt, 200 gram of yogurt. If you add more, a little bit more, it's not a mistake. We season with salt, around half teaspoon of salt and a little bit of olive oil. Give it a good mix and this is ready. Now after 10 minutes, we're gonna squeeze the water from the courgettes like this. And now I'm gonna add this to the mixture. This is how much water we have removed from the courgettes. It's quite a lot. Now we're gonna give everything a good mix. Now this is the consistency you're looking for. If you feel it's a little runny, you can add a little bit more flour. This is now ready for frying. I'm gonna heat a pan with sunflower oil and we're gonna start. Now you only need 1 ladle full of the mixture and slowly add it like this and you spread it around. Now very gently flip them over. Our courgette fritters are now ready. We're gonna serve them here in this platter. This smells so nice, so summery. It's a delicious recipe. And I'm gonna try this one. This is amazing. You have to try this.